Well, it's been a pretty soggy start to the work week, but better things are ahead. Hey everyone, good Tuesday evening. I'm Eric Wilhelm, weather for Weather Geeks time. Wanted to review the rain that we've had over the last couple of days and do a tally of the month so far at the Youngstown Warren Regional Airport. We're up to 2.5 inches now for the month, thanks to a little over a half an inch yesterday, a little over a half an inch today, and so we're running a surplus now through the first roughly 3 weeks of the month, 0.68 inches above the average. And rainfall totals over the last 48 hours have been pretty impressive. One spot down in Columbiana County near the Rogers area, the radar estimate here is about 2 inches. That's kind of an exception. A lot of places have seen more than an inch, though, in parts of Columbiana County, and especially around and south of the 224 corridor. Once you're north of 224, and especially north of I-80, not a whole lot of spots have seen more than an inch over the last couple of days, but half an inch to 3/4 of an inch has been pretty common. Nonetheless, not much going on this evening. Some spots of drizzle will remain a possibility for the evening. No big deal there. At least we're not dealing with this. This is a legitimate winter storm in the upper Midwest this evening. It's been snowing all day in Minneapolis. They've had enough snow to shovel and plow down into parts of Iowa and into Wisconsin as well. And yeah, there's a stripe of winter storm warnings and winter weather advisories out for Minnesota, Wisconsin, the UP of Michigan, winter storm watch out for the next system coming in, to the Dakotas. This is a chilly air mass. Now, of course, it's October and we're talking about the U.S.-Canadian border here. It's not surprising to see chilly weather, but this is still even a little ahead of schedule for these northern locales to see afternoon and evening temperatures below freezing in International Falls and Fargo and Minneapolis. Back here at home, a little bit of drizzle this evening, and there could be a shower or two overnight tonight. I think the steadiest of the rain tonight will be north of I-80 and especially up towards I-90. This is a warm front lifting across the region, and boy, talk about a warm front. It's going to be a lot warmer tomorrow morning as we head off to work and school. It'll be closer to 60, paving the way to a warmer afternoon. It's not going to be a very sunny day Wednesday. May even rain a little bit. Midday, early afternoon, couple of showers along this weak front. Boy, I'll tell you, despite the clouds and the threat for wet weather, I've got 70 in the forecast. Not going to be surprised to see a backyard thermometer or two read 71 or 72. All right, another warm front heads our way Thursday. Thursday probably starts with clouds, but ends with sunshine. From south to north, the sun will break out, and once the sun breaks out in your location, boy, talk about spring fever. Middle 70s on Thursday, and I've upped our high temperature forecast for Friday to 77. Record highs in jeopardy on Friday. The record is 78, set in 1931, old record for the 23rd day of October. We will be threatening that record before that cold front heads our way. That's the next front that means some business. This is what's going to roll through as we go into the overnight with showers, and showers might linger into Saturday morning as well. And wow, I posted this on social earlier. It's kind of a roller coaster ride. Keep your hands and feet inside the weather roller coaster at all times, because we're going to go from 77 Friday afternoon to probably not much better than 50, 51, maybe 52 if we're lucky Saturday afternoon. And you'll see that graphically here. Mid-70s on Friday. It stays mild into the evening, but then towards daybreak Saturday, temperatures crash. And then with a lot of clouds around, we're not going to see much in the way of a temperature rise, I think, on Friday. As far as rain goes this weekend, if you have outdoor plans, it's still wedding season after all. We may have a couple of showers into Saturday morning. I suspect we're dry Saturday afternoon, and then maybe a couple of showers re-emerging by midday and afternoon on Sunday. This is kind of an unsettled looking pattern, I think, as we head into the longer range, into the tail end of October. It looks chilly and it looks damp at times. Several chances of wet weather from Sunday right through next week, so no surprise to see the 6 to 10 day precipitation outlook put out by the Climate Prediction Center showing elevated odds of wetter than average conditions and elevated odds of cooler than average conditions as well. I think it's going to be kind of a damp and chilly end to October this year. November's forecast at this point does not look especially chilly. I'll be talking more in detail about November as we get closer to the end of this month, and of course I'll be doing my annual winter forecast coming up in early November, maybe a couple of days after Election Day. So look for that online and on air as well. Thank you for watching the Tuesday evening edition of Weather for Weather Geeks. I will see you back here on Wednesday. Enjoy the rest of your night.